What did you say? Where are you going, sir? What do you have in the car?
I have taffies in the car.
Taffies?
In the car.
So you going in the car also?
Yeah, I'm going.
Slimy, where are you going? But where are you going? To who are you going? Yeah. Bye, Haskell. Bye. See you later. Huh? Yes.
Bye.
Bye.
I moved the car.
Yeah, why?
I want Taffy in the car. Mommy, go in the car.
Hold on a second. Haskell.
I need a jacket.